An Indian Army colonel, major, and a deputy superintendent of police were killed in an attack in South Kashmir's Islamabad district of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir today. The killings took place after a joint team of the Indian Army and the police came under attack in Kokarnak area of the district, the Indian official said. The attack came when the Indian officers were engaged in a cordon and search operation in Kokarnak area on Wednesday morning, the police officials added. Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred one more Kashmiri youth in the Rajouri district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops martyred the youth during a cordon and search operation in Khawa area of the district. The killing raised the number of the martyred youth to 2 in the area since yesterday. Narendra Modi-led Indian government's decision to relax customs duty on apples imported from the US has upset the fruit traders in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Modi government's move to slash the additional tariff duty of 20% on the US apples and walnuts has left the Kashmiri fruit growers dismayed and worried about their future. Senior leader of the Indian National Congress in occupied Kashmir, Tariq Hamid Kara, has slammed the Narendra Modi-led Indian government for relaxing the import duty on the US apples. According to Kashmir Media Service, Tariq Hamid Kara in a statement in Srinagar said that the apple farmers in occupied Kashmir, like any other sector, have suffered a lot under the indifferent Indian government of the BJP. As heat wave conditions continue, Srinagar recorded the September's second highest day temperature in 132 years on Tuesday. According to Kashmir Media Service, Srinagar, Kazigund and Kokarnak recorded record-breaking severe heat waves. Srinagar recorded a maximum temperature of 34.2 degrees, which is 6.0 degrees above the normal temperature. A tense hours-long standoff unfolded at a hotel in Delhi last week as security personnel accused the Chinese delegation attending the G20 summit of having suspicious equipment. According to Kashmir Media Service, the ordeal began when the security team of the Taj Palace Hotel observed a member of the Chinese delegation carrying a bag with unusual dimensions. President of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Barrister Sultan Mahmood Chaudhry, has urged Germany to play a role in helping India and Pakistan to resolve the Kashmir dispute peacefully. According to Kashmir Media Service, the IIOJK president was talking to the first secretary of the German embassy in Islamabad.